Hello, good morning. I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend. It's a beautiful Monday here today, another fresh week. We thank God for a breath of life. Even upon everything that is happening in the world, He still keep us alive by His grace. We thank God. For today, my face mask I'm gonna be using Besan flour for my face mask for today. I have my Besan flour right here. I need 2 teaspoons of Besan flour because I always use for my neck, if you remember. And mind you, all this face mask I'm doing, you don't have to be changing it every day. You can just pick one that you think it's very good for your skin and keep using it consistently. So I have my besan flour, and I'm gonna be adding my milk. This is goat milk, enriched with vitamin D. Goat milk is very good for skin lightening, skin whitening, pigmentation, or what name it. Goat milk is very good, so I'm gonna be adding 1 tablespoon of powdered goat milk to it. Then for the mixture, I'm just going to add one teaspoon of lemon juice. This is my fresh lemon juice. I always do my squeezing myself. I don't buy the already made one. Alright, I think 1 teaspoon is not enough for this, so I'm just going to add one more to make it into a paste. To make it into a paste. Well, depending on the consistency you want, I think this is okay for me. If you can see it right here, this is okay. You just want to keep this for like 15 to 20 minutes, then you rinse it with cold water and apply your lotion to your face in a circular motion. And so, like I said earlier, with all this I'm teaching you, you don't have to keep changing it every day. You can just stick to one. I'm just trying to give you different options right now, so you can choose which one you think is best for your skin, and you start using it. You can just stick to one or two and use it. Or if you use one this week, the next week you change to something else. As long as you don't see as long as you don't develop any kind of skin rashes or so, you are good. So that is my mixing. Then I'm just going to apply it to my face and my neck, like I always do. You can smell the milk. Very good. If the paste is too thick for you, just mix the paste to your desired consistency. Like I said, this is besan flour. We have besan flour, goat powdered milk, and lemon juice. Just like so, then leave it for 15-20 minutes. You can wash, you can rinse with cold water Anyway, that is our tutorial for today. I'll see you guys next time. Have fun. If you're going out, be careful out there. Love you. Bye.